Good morning, everyone who loves MK. Good morning, everyone who wants to sacrifice his life for MK, because sacrificing your life for MK is sacrificing your life for South Africa, for your children, and for your economy. This is something I want just to say. Let me get straight to the point. I will just be honest. The day that Floyd Shivambo joined MK, it was, I didn't like it. It wasn't professional from his side to do that. It's just an opportunistic sign which all politicians use to jump boats from left to right. But Floyd is a politician. You know, he uses his own ideology, he's got his own way of talking and thinking. I'm not against that. Everybody is free to do whatever he wants. But the day that he joined MK, and too many people started joining MK, as I was talking to my commander, you know, and I told him, you know what, soon you will see a flood of people from high rank ANC people, AFF people, all political parties starting joining MK. And that's what did happen. But the mistake of our leadership is throwing red carpet to everybody that's coming to MK. And MK made successful election without these people that joined us after that. Joining us, it's not a problem. But we need wise people to be part of this political party. We need wise people, not clever people. As far as I know, ANC got clever people, EFF got clever people, PA got clever people, but in MK, we need wise people. Because wise people, they don't fix problems. Wise people, they avoid problems. And that's who we are, and that's who Mr. Zuma is. He is a wise Zulu man. He went through hell and back, but he's still standing on his both feet. And my message to the High Command, especially the President and the Vice President, so far they're the only leaders that I can see that they got a vision in these political parties. The rest of the leadership, they're just flying around and they don't know what the hell is happening with international politics. They don't know what the hell is happening with the economy in South Africa, the politics in South Africa. You know, the world is changing. The wars are, if we can call them wars, are everywhere in the Arab world, you know. The Zionist regime is infiltrating Africa from north to Central Africa to South Africa, and now they, you know, the lack of experience of our members of parliament in international politics is exposing MK to total distraction. We are embracing the ideology of DA without us knowing. We are making a big mistake, you know, by going into scratching into the files of Zionism and join them and support them without knowing. And this is a lack of experience from our leaders at MK. We talk about the freedom of Palestine, and you can see what's happening in the freedom of Palestine. We talk about the freedom of the Polisario, Southern Sahara Occidental in North Africa. Those people, they live in very bad situation. They are colonized by the Moroccan whatever regime, and now we got the Zionism getting involved with Morocco with intelligence and military bases and political ideologies that's going into Morocco, and we need to be careful about that. Our leaders need to be careful about that. Now we got Mr. Floyd Shivambo going to Kenya and meet Bushiri I don't know, and he wants to justify. That's another big mistake. International politics, he doesn't know nothing. I'm telling you, Mr. Floyd, international politics, you don't know nothing. They will play you like a yo-yo. Bushiri is a mafia guy. He likes money, he's a businessman, and that's it. When people see you going there, it's like you want to sell something. But anyway, come back to my real statement here. My real statement is, amongst all the people that joined MK, I think Floyd was the biggest mistake. I don't know why he did that. I don't know why he did that. It wasn't his territory. And I don't know who invited him from our political party MK to join us. And that person who did that is also ignorant. That person doesn't have no political strategy whatsoever to become a politician. The same way Floyd was kicked out his position, we need to kick out those people out of their position. What I'm saying here is very, very serious for the future of MK. And I myself send an email to Mr. Zuma's daughter telling her, this is the biggest mistake that you people are making by bringing Floyd into MK. And I did that not even 2 days after his nomination or his coming into MK. You know? And I believe that later there was a big fight between the daughter of Zuma and Floyd, because maybe she can see things she didn't like, but I will not speculate on that, it's her business. But on my side, I knew it was a big mistake. Floyd is a politician. I heard the video he made in Parliament, you know, and it's like, wow, you know, maybe I can make you hear something of it, you know, and you tell me, you know.
It's because we have got post-colonial disasters, imposters, thugs, criminals who by coincidence, accident, or by design find themselves occupying the highest political office in their land. These include Obiang Basako of Equatorial Guinea.
Anyway, he's just reading from Google all these names and he cannot even pronounce the name properly, you know, but let us hear the rest.
Paul Biya of Cameroon, Blaise Compaoré,
Fast forward.
to have found it in its own conscience to act against a Mr. Jacob Zuma, who has abdicated his responsibility as a leader of our country and gave it to a family. It's a matter of fact, it's a common cause that some of the ministers who serve in cabinet here were appointed on the instruction of the Gupta family. Mr. Zwane was appointed by the Guptas. They worked with him in the Free State. That is why immediately after appointment, he went with them to negotiate a deal in Switzerland.
As you can see, you know, Mr. Zuma was the president of South Africa, and Floyd was doing what he's supposed to do. He's doing his job as an AFF politician, trying to rise, trying to be the leader of South Africa, but the way, you know, he spoke that day in Parliament, it's very deep. It's very, very deep in the soul of people, you know. It shows his soul. It shows his personality. It shows his ideology against Jacob Zuma. And I don't know how the hell we got to a point, or he got to a point to come back to Zuma and made Zuma his leader. Let us listen to next.
Before you know it, he would have captured everything. After he has dealt with everyone else, he's going to arrest you. He's going to arrest all of you. He's going to lock you up. He's going to kill you. That is the reality of the situation, because he knows that he has got nothing to lose now. He knows that if he doesn't have control of political power, He's going to be going to prison.
On a point of order, Honorable,
We're going to bring Jacob Zuma down. Whether it's through political action or through this process, Jacob Zuma is going to fall. Thank you very much.
Members, therefore, the unparliamentary reference that Honorable Shivambo referred to,
Going to withdraw truth. It's not going to happen.
yes.
It's never going to happen. I'm not going to withdraw the truth that the Gupta family working with Jacob Zuma have appointed Zwane and have appointed Van Rooyen. It's a matter of fact. I can't withdraw that particular reality.
Yeah.
And it's a reality that we are living under a growing dictatorship of Jacob Zuma. It's a fact. Who's seeking to enrich himself and his family? There is no need to withdraw that. I will never withdraw. It will never happen.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is a politician talking, loving his political party. It is right. He didn't withdraw whatever he said. I didn't want to show the whole video, but it's on YouTube. It's everywhere, you know. And like I said, the biggest mistake is who invited Floyd Shivambo to join MK. Who invited him? And that person must join Floyd now and go open a new political party. Because the things that are said about our president, you cannot take it away. You cannot erase it. It's on YouTube. It's everywhere. It came from the deepest part of the heart of Floyd Shivambo against the president Jacob Zuma. This is more than personal. This is more than sensitive. This is emotional politics. And this emotional politics didn't work. Even if he said all of this, things went the way it's supposed to be. Mr. Zuma came back from the dead. He did the rise like a phoenix out of the ash, and he opened the political party, and we went and supported Zuma. We went and supported Zuma. And we made success, meaning that the people, they still listen to Zuma, no matter what other people are saying. We want to save South Africa. We want to save Africa. We want to get the white monopoly capital out of South Africa, and we want to get them out of Africa. If they want to be with us, they need to negotiate business inside the boardroom in order to serve justice. We don't need to be equal. We need to have justice. Every single business deal that's going to happen in South Africa with MK, it's going to be negotiation inside the boardroom. And the outcome of those negotiations must help South Africa rise and must help Africa rise. I thank you very much. Long live MK, long live MK.